Welcome to ByKumi. Today let's make hummus, and let's give it an Asian flair by using edamame instead of chickpeas. Subtle in flavor, but still very tasty. Serve it with pita chips, or make your own chips by using wonton wrappers. That'll be in a different video though. Let's get started. Please find the ingredients and tools at the end of this video and the recipe on ByKumi.com. First, the garlic. Peel and thinly slice 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. This is a rather large clove, so I will only peel one for now. Slicing helps the garlic blend evenly and quickly. Now juice a lemon by rinsing and cutting in half. Usually half is enough for 2 tablespoons, but set aside the other half just in case. Bring a 3-quart pot of water to a boil. Lightly sprinkle in some salt. Once the water begins to boil, add 1 bag of shelled edamame. You can find this in the freezer section at the grocery store. Now bring the water back to a boil, and then reduce the heat. Continue to boil for 3 to 5 minutes or until the edamame is soft in texture. Check for doneness, and when ready, turn off the stove. Now drain the pot of edamame into a colander placed inside your sink. Use water to remove any remaining edamame from the pot. Rinse with cold water to cool the edamame. Once cooled, drain and place the colander inside a bowl. It's time to put everything together. You'll need your blender or food processor. I like using my personal blender for this. Add 1 14-ounce bag of shelled edamame to the blender container. Add 3/4 cup water. You may need more. Use filtered water for best flavor. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Add 3/4 teaspoon diamond crystal kosher salt. If using Morton's, use less. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. Add 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon tahini. Add 1 to 2 cloves of thinly sliced garlic. My clove was big, so I'm going to add just over half the slices. Better to add more later if necessary. We're ready to blend. Add a small amount of water if the ingredients don't blend. I think I should be fine. Once the edamame is blended and looks smooth, stop and check for flavor and texture. I'm happy with the texture, but would like a little more garlic and lemon juice. Before adding more garlic, remove half the edamame to not overblend. To save on dishes, I'll use the bowl under the colander. Just be sure to pour out any water. Now I'll add more garlic and lemon juice to the container, and then blend until the garlic is fully incorporated. Taste to be sure you are happy with the amount of garlic. Definitely set on garlic. I'll make any final seasoning adjustments in the mixing bowl. Now remove the almost finished edamame hummus. Mix everything together and make any final flavor adjustments. I'll be adding more lemon juice. This is really good. If you're not serving immediately, store the hummus in the refrigerator. Use a glass container since it won't get ruined by the smell of garlic. And one last tip, place a piece of foil over the top of the container, then secure the lid. This keeps the plastic lid safe and gives a tighter seal. Congratulations, you officially have edamame hummus. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or printable recipe, visit ByKumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. Jane! And for the ingredients, 1 14-ounce bag of shelled edamame, water, garlic, lemon, tahini, kosher salt, ground cumin, ground black pepper, pita chips for serving, or make your own. And for the tools, cutting board and knife, measuring cup, mixing bowl and colander, juicer, measuring spoons and measuring glass is helpful, spatulas, various spoons for tasting and mixing, blender or food processor, 3-quart pot, glass storage container with lid, foil, serving plates.